guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I promised you guys something different, and this right here is something totally different. I've never done a nail tutorial on my channel before, but I wanted to come to you guys and show you how I do my nails. And today I'm going to take you guys along on this journey. I'm trying something new as far as the gel. I usually do acrylics, but I saw a few tutorials and I thought the gel would be easier, so I wanted to give it a try. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm going to take them out so you guys can see the progress. Alright, so after scraping them, this is what it looked like. Y'all, don't be down in my comments talking about this ain't the right way to do it. I'm not a professional. I'm not a nail tech. I just do my own nails at home to save me a little bit of coin. Okay guys, so it's been another 10 minutes. So this time, instead of using the little scraping tool that I normally would use, I'm gonna use the drill and get this top layer off. Alright guys, so I finished taking off all the first layer. So it's really the second, because this was the second time I put my hands in the acetone. But I finished taking off the second layer of acrylic that softened up. Now I'm going to go back in the acetone for another 10 minutes. And hopefully when I come out this time, I'll be ready to move on to doing a new full set. Alright, so this is going to be the company that I'm using today. I've never used this company before. I would have grabbed the box, but I actually threw it on the floor. So they send you 6 gels, a brush, a spatula, and the base and the top coat. Okay, so now that I have my light set up, you actually go in and you start with the base coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and if I can open it, I'm gonna go ahead and polish my first 4 fingers. I like to do the thumb separate because it really don't fit all in the light at the same time. Okay, so I'm back. I actually cured these 4 nails. I'm not gonna do the thumb like I initially said I was, because I don't want it to get, you know, lint on it from the towel or whatever. But this is the brush that comes in the set with your gel polish. This end is the brush and this end is the spatula. So when you squeeze some of the gel out, you just use this tip and you take it off. actually see some spots that I need to touch up. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch up those spots. When I return, I'm not gonna do all 10 fingers on camera. I'm not. But when I return, I'll be showing you guys how to do the dual form on my middle finger here. Alright guys, so I'm back. Now I'm going to show you how to, I know my nail's not finished. Don't talk about me. I'm going to go ahead and finish them. Not to jump the subject. I'm going to go ahead and finish my nails off camera, and I'll probably insert some pictures of the set done at the end. But right now, I'm actually going to show you guys how to use this nail form. I actually had to file it down because, let me just do this base coat while I'm talking to you guys. I actually had to file the form down on the sides because it was too wide for my finger, and the one that was after that one was actually too tight, so I ended up just filing the sides down. And yeah, after this nail finish curing, I'm gonna go ahead and the same way I place these things look so cute. The same way I place the dot of gel on my natural nail, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to apply it inside of, I don't know if you guys can actually see, well, maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit, this line right here, and then this little circle here is where I'm going to apply the gel, and then I'm going to spread it upward and thin out this back portion here, because this is actually where my cuticle goes. So I'm gonna use the brush the same way I did on my natural nail, and I'm gonna thin out back here, and then I'm gonna apply the dual form actually to my nail itself, and then cure it in my lamp for 2 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I actually let it cure for 3 minutes instead of 2. It's supposed to be as easy as pinching and wiggling from left to right, and it's supposed to come off. Well, I'll be damned. Not to stick the middle finger at you guys, but it came off, and it's freaking amazing. I might just do this on all my nails instead of trying to freehand it. Y'all, listen, I done found a better way. Instead of freehanding, I'm about to do a dual form on all my nails. All of them. This process is about to get even quicker. So guess what, guys? I'm going to do a dual form on all my nails, and I'll be back quicker than you think. So, don't move. I know this video probably a little long, but stay to the end because I need for you to comment, rate, and subscribe. Alright guys, so I finished all 2 nails. I know they look real bulky and stuff, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my e-file, and I'm going to actually drill them down and actually refile them. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If you guys would like to see how I polish and, you know, decorate my nails, I don't know if that's the right term, but yeah, if you guys want to see that, then leave a comment down below, and I'll get that video out to you guys. Again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.